The powder method is a widely used technique for the development of latent fingerprints. Fingerprint powders work by adhesion, where the powder sticks to the fingerprint residue. This technique involves using of different type of powder such as black powder, white powder, fluorescent powder, etc. For carrying out the powder dusting method, a small quantity of fingerprint powder is taken. A suitable brush is lightly dipped into the powder. Excess powder is gently tapped off from the brush. The brush is slightly moved over the surface using gentle strokes. Powder adheres to the moisture and oily components of the fingerprint ridges. The latent fingerprint gradually becomes visible. Excess powder is carefully removed to improve clarity. The developed fingerprint is photographed. If required, the print is lifted using adhesive tape and mounted on a contrasting backing sheet.